Monster Scouts. Welcome, members of the Monster Scouts. I, Herry Monster, am your Scoutmaster, and today's Monster Scout project is doing good deeds.
Scout Monster, could you tell me what good deed is?
Certainly, Cookie Monster. A good deed is something nice that you do to help somebody.
Oh, that's good.
So we're gonna have a contest. We're all gonna look for people to help. And the first monster who does 3 good deeds wins this prize. A box of cookies.
Cookies.
See you later, some cookies.
Oh, hey kids, me see you watching. Oh, me got the win prize. Maybe you help me look for good deeds, okay? Oh, let's go. Dum 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 dum. Maybe somebody in park need help.
Oh dear, I need help.
Little girl, oh that's wonderful. Because me, Monster Scout, do good deed and help you.
Oh, thank you. See, my sailboat is stuck in the middle of this pond. I can't reach it, and I can't go in the water.
Oh, that's easy. Me reach it. Oh no, me no can reach boat from here. Maybe me reach from somewhere else. No, not from here either. Maybe from somewhere else.
Wait, you tried reaching. It doesn't work. The boat's too far away. Shouldn't we stop and think of another way to get the boat back?
Stop? Think? Okay, what you got in mind?
Well, reaching would work if we could reach far enough. Maybe we could find something long to reach with.
Gee, nothing here but this long board.
Perfect! It might reach the boat.
Maybe. Of course, we not know until we try. So let's try.
Okay.
No good. Board not long enough to reach boat. Guess we'd better think some more. We no can reach boat, but maybe we can throw something, hit boat, and knock it to shore. Maybe throw this stone.
Maybe. We won't know till we try.
Then we try. Here go. Oh, rats. Stone this boat.
Yeah, but look. The stone made ripples in the water. And the ripples moved the boat. Oh, but not far enough for us to reach it, though. Maybe we should give up.
Give up? No, not give up. Me must do good deed. Me get help. Kids, we no can reach boat. Only thing that moved boat at all was ripples. Can you think of a way we can move boat to shore? Okay, turn off sound now. Oh, thank you, kids. You have some very good ideas. And you know what? Me get idea too.
Really? What's your idea?
Well, if little ripples move boat a little way, maybe we can move it very far by using board to make big ripples.
Oh. It's working. It worked. Oh, thank you very much, Monster Scout.
Oh, you're welcome, little girl. Oh, great, me do good deed. Only 2 more and maybe me win cookies. Okay, kids, follow me. Got to find somebody who needs help.
Oh boy, do we need help? We sure do.
Hot dog, Cookie Monster to rescue.
Who's there?
It's me, Monster Scout Cookie Monster. Me help you.
Oh, hi, Cookie Monster.
Hi.
I hope you can help. I can't tell which of these puppies is mine. I brought him here to play with the other puppy. They're brothers, but they look so much alike, I don't know which one to take home with me.
Oh, wait. We have idea.
Oh,
What puppy's names?
my puppy's name is Larry.
Yeah, and mine is named Howard.
Yeah.
Okay, watch this. Here, Howard. Here, Howard. Come on, Howard. No, not both puppies. Just Howard. Wait. Just Howard. Never mind, we try again.
Wait, Cookie Monster. You tried calling them. It didn't work.
We should stop and try to think of another way to tell them apart.
Yeah.
Stop. Think. That just might work. Let me see. Must be something different about the puppies.
Well, yes, there is. The man who gave us the puppies said Larry is a little heavier than Howard.
That's it. Maybe me can hold puppies and see which one heavier. Not know until me try, so me try. Okay, this puppy feel pretty heavy, but this puppy feel heavy too. Holding puppies not work. Must be better way to figure out which puppy heavier.
Well, we could weigh them on the scale in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Say, maybe that work. Not know until we try, so we try. Go on, puppy, go on. Put front legs on scale. That is all you cute. Go ahead, yeah. Okay, now, good puppy. Put back legs on scale. No. No, take front legs off. Put all legs on scale. Oh, come on, puppy. Oh, don't cry.
It doesn't work. He can't get all his legs on the scale, Cookie Monster.
Gee, if it weren't for that, weighing him would work. Well, maybe we should give up.
No, never give up. Me want to win cookies. Me get help. Kids, puppies no can get on scale so we can weigh them. But scale is good idea. Can you think of way we could use scale to find out which puppy heavier? Okay, turn off sound now. Oh, you got wonderful ideas. And while you talking, me get wonderful idea too. Maybe puppies no can get on scale, but me can get on scale. Now, let's see. Okay, holding this puppy, me weigh 50 pounds. Oh, nice puppy. Change puppies. And holding other puppy, me weigh 53 pounds. So this puppy heavier. Oh, this puppy Larry.
Larry! Howard!
Cookies. Oh boy, one more good deed and maybe me win cookies. Follow me. Oh, look. Boy, look like he need help. You need help?
Oh, yes, but I don't think anyone can help me.
Only can try. What the matter? Tell Cookie.
Well, come inside to the party.
Oh, thank you.
Here, see that balloon up there?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's mine. It floated out of my hand, and now I'll never get it down.
Oh, boy, this good deed going to be a hard deed to do even for top-notch monster scout like me. Now, we got to try to reach balloon. But me not tall enough. Me no. Me get ladder and try to reach. Well, reaching right idea, but ladder not tall enough.
It's too bad my balloon isn't bigger, because then I could float right up to the ceiling and get your balloon.
Why we not get lots of balloons? Maybe all those balloons carry me to the ceiling.
But Cookie Monster.
Well, not know if it work until we try.
But Cookie Monster, you're too.
Oh, okay. Here me go. Come. Nothing happened.
Uh-huh. That's what I started to tell you, Cookie Monster.
Oh,
You're too heavy. It would take a giant balloon to lift you.
well, it was right idea anyway. If me balloon, me could go up and get it. Well, wait a minute. Me have another idea anyway. You kids, think about the problem. See if you have idea how to get balloon down. Okay, turn off sound now. Did you kids think of idea? My idea is to tie extra string onto this balloon and borrow sticky bubble gum from Betty Lou and put on top of Betty Lou's balloon.
Oh boy, I see what you're gonna do. You're gonna let Betty Lou's balloon float up below mine.
And the gum will make his balloon stick to my balloon.
And then me will pull both balloons down.
Oh boy, do you think it will work, Cookie Monster?
It should work, but not know until we try. Now we try. Here goes.
It's almost touching my balloon. It worked!
Oh.
It worked! We tried it and it worked!
There, here your balloon. Now, not let go string again, okay?
I won't. Thanks, Cookie Monster.
Oh boy, me finish 3 good deeds, so me may have 1 cookie. Oh, Scout Monster, me do 3 good deeds, me win cookies.
Very good, Monster Scout,
Yeah,
Cookie
yeah.
Monster. But you aren't the only one to do 3 good deeds.
Oh no. Oh, me also figured out neat thing while doing good deeds. Want to see?
Sure.
Want to know how much box of cookies weighs?
Why not?
Watch. First, me get on scale. Now, me weigh 45 pounds. Now, me eat cookies. Now, me weigh 47 pounds with cookies in stomach. So cookies weigh 2 pounds. Isn't that terrific? Why everybody staring at me like that?
I don't believe you ate the whole
All
thing.
right.
Oh, what?
What's going on?